Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to log into an existing account of MetaTrader app. Firstly, open the MetaTrader app. If you have already used the app, then you might have created Open Demo account as shown in the screen. Now, go to the setting option at the bottom right corner of the screen and then click New Account. You can view two options, then press Login to an existing account. Then again, click to the only available option, which leads to this page. Now, insert your login number and password. There is also an option of either to save the password or not. Make sure that you save the password only when it's your own device and not the public. After completing all the required steps, click Sign In option at the top right corner. Thank you for watching our video, and to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.